Welcome to Beanie Chef. The missus just told me I've got to keep this one nice and sweet, so that's why we're doing sweet pastry. In over 30 years in the catering industry, I've not used a better pastry that's so easy to make and work with as this. So follow this easy recipe, your tarts, pastries will just blow your friends and family away. To make this sweet pastry, your butter needs to be at room temperature. You can wear gloves if you want, but I always prefer using my hands because I get a better feel with it. So make sure you can sort of squeeze it. It's not too soft, but it's not rock hard, so just easily squeezable. So once you've got to that stage, then you want to get your sugar and just add that in. And then we're just using our hands to make this. No specialist equipment is required. And then you're just gonna gently fold in that sugar with the butter. Once all your sugar is sort of amalgamated with the butter, then we're gonna just add our egg in there. That can all go in one go. A tablespoon of water. And then we're just gonna do the same. Gently fold that in so it all mixes together. As I'm doing this, I'm just, checking for any bits of butter that haven't been squeezed and are still a little bit hard. But once we've got most of that all mixed together, then it's time, if you're just using your hands like this, just to give them a wash before we put the flour in. Every professional chef should tell you that flour needs to be sieved, whether it's come out of a packet or not, just in case there are any contaminants in there. Gently fold it all together so it all sort of comes together into like a pastry. As you are combining it all together, if you do see any little lumps of butter, then you can just make sure at this stage that they get mixed in. We're making this one with our hand today because it's quite a small quantity, but if you want to make a bigger batch, then this is easily done on a mixing machine with like a paddle. But if you're making a small quantity, then just by hand is simple enough, as you can see. And once it's all come together like that, you just want to get rid of all the bits off your hand or fingers, and then you'll see it come together almost like a ball, and the bowl will be almost pretty much clean. So once you've got to that stage, you've made your first batch of quality sweet pastry. Most pastries that you make, they'll tell you that you need to put it in the fridge for a little while to rest it. This one is perfect, you don't have to do that, but this one you can just use straight away. In fact, it's better to use it straight away. We've got marble here, which is ideal for pastry, but if you don't have marble, that's no problem. You don't need tons of flour to roll it out. So although it's a beautiful pastry to eat, it's actually very easy to work with. It doesn't, it doesn't break easy, and even if it does break, it just goes back together almost like magic. You just put it all together like that again, and you can start re-rolling again. This sweet pastry recipe we've shown you today will easily make you 2 of these cases. This sweet pastry can be put in the fridge for a couple of days, you can even freeze it. What I suggest though is you carry on watching our videos, because we'll be posting plenty of recipes that use this. Hit the like button, subscribe, thank you for watching. The missus now wants me to freeze, so until next time,